Hi friends, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to see this Anthos concept. What is Anthos? Anthos is a modern application management platform that provides a consistent development and operations experience for cloud and on-premises environments. It is currently available for use on Google Cloud, on AWS and attached to Kubernetes cluster or on-premises. What is Anthos in Kubernetes? Anthos enables you to manage GKE clusters and workloads running on virtual machines across environments. We get consistent managed Kubernetes experience with simple installs as well as upgrades validated by Google. So we can see here Google Cloud on-premise and other clouds edge we have under this Anthos. What is Google Anthos used for? Anthos is a modern application management platform that provides a consistent development and operation experience for a cloud. So already I have told this and on-premises environment. It provides an overview of each layer of the Anthos infrastructure and how we can leverage its features. Computing environment. So we are going to see this computing environment. The primary computing environment for Anthos uses Anthos clusters which extend GKE for use on Google Cloud, on-premises or multi-cloud to manage Kubernetes installations on the environment where we intend to deploy your applications. These offerings bundle upstream Kubernetes releases and provide management capabilities for creating, scaling, and upgrading conformant Kubernetes clusters. With Kubernetes installed and running, we have access to a common orchestration layer that manages application deployment, configuration, upgrade, and scaling. Kubernetes has two main parts, that is first one is control plane and the node components. Then we have these how the environment hosts the control plane and node components for GKE is described now. Here we are going to see that first one is Anthos on Google Cloud, second Anthos on Prem, third Anthos on AWS. Okay, now we are going to see Anthos on Google Cloud. With Anthos on Google Cloud, Google Cloud hosts the control plane and the Kubernetes API server, which is the only control plane component accessible to customers. GKE manages the node components in the customer's project using instances in Compute Engine. Next, we are going to see Anthos on-prem. With Anthos clusters on VMware, all components are hosted in the customer's on-prem virtualization environment. Next, we are going to see Anthos on AWS, Amazon Web Services. With Anthos clusters on AWS, Amazon Web Services, all components are hosted in the customer's AWS environment. With Anthos attached clusters, the Kubernetes distribution is offered through another cloud provider. In the deployment option, Anthos does not manage the Kubernetes control plane or node components, only the Anthos services that run on those clusters. Next, we are going to see networking environment. In this, how Kubernetes cluster in Anthos interact with your environment's network. So load balancer let you divide requests to your workloads across different parts and environments. Kubernetes allows users to provision layer 4 and layer 7 load balancers. We are going to see load balancing options are available for GKE depending on your chosen environment. First one is Anthos on Google Cloud, second Anthos on on-prem, third Anthos on AWS. Anthos on Google Cloud, GKE uses network load balancing for layer 4 and HTTPS load balancing for layer 7. Both are managed services, do not require any additional configuration or provisioning on your part. Multi-cluster ingress allows us to deploy load balancer that serves on application across multiple GKE on Google Cloud clusters. Next is Anthos on-prem. Anthos cluster on VMware provides an integration with an on-premises load balancing appliance. Next is Anthos on AWS. Anthos cluster on AWS provides integrations with AWS Classic, Elastic Load Balancer, Network Load Balancer, and ALB, Application Load Balancers. Next, we are going to see the concept of the cluster management. So here we are going to see cluster management, what is service mesh, what is configuration management, Anthos features, third-party application marketplace, and Anthos for development, for migration, operations, and security. Okay, now we are going to see each and everything. So cluster management. So before going to that, so Anthos is announced by Sundar Pichai at Next 19. Anthos is now able to be deployed across multiple different environments, whether it is on-premises data centers, in computing environments, Google Cloud, other clouds, and also other Kubernetes cluster. It also provides multiple different services on top, whether it's cluster management, service management, providing developers with more agility through serverless and app development frameworks. It manages operations as well as policy and configuration management, and it can translate to concurrently for the different components and deployment options of Anthos. Next, we are going to we now have multiple different deployment options. So on-prem bare metal, which is coming into preview on GCP, and Anthos AWS Azure VMs becoming and other Kubernetes environment. So service mesh to manage service mesh deployments, and Cloud Run. So Cloud Run to provide a serverless framework. Next, Cloud Code to provide IDE enabled development environment, cloud logging and cloud monitoring to provide operational visibility across all those deployment options. So we are going to see detail. First, cluster management. Cluster management, as the number of Kubernetes cluster in an organization increases, it can be difficult to understand what is running across each environment. The Anthos cluster management view provides a secure console to view the state of all your registered clusters and create new clusters for your project. We add clusters to this view by registering them with connect to your Google Cloud Project fleet. GKE clusters on premises and AWS are registered automatically. A fleet provides a unified way to view and manage your clusters and their workloads as part of the Anthos, including clusters outside Google Cloud. So, what is service mesh? A service mesh is an architecture that enables managed, observable, and secure communication across your services, letting you create robust enterprise applications made up of many microservices on your chosen infrastructure. Anthos Service Mesh is powered by Istio, a highly configurable and powerful open source service mesh platform with tools and features that enable industry best practices. Anthos Service Mesh is deployed as a uniform layer across your entire infrastructure. Developers and operators can use its rich feature set without making changes to application code. So configuration management. The Anthos dashboard configuration management view gives you an at a glance overview of the configuration state of all your clusters with Anthos config management enabled and allows us to quickly add the features to clusters and they have not been set up yet. We can easily track configuration changes and see which branch and commit tag has been applied to each cluster. Flexible filter make it simple to view configuration roll out status by cluster, branch or tag. So next, Anthos features. The Anthos dashboards features view lets you view status and manage Anthos features for your registered clusters. Next, third party application marketplace. In the marketplace solution catalog, we will find storage solutions, databases, continuous integration and delivery tools, monitoring solutions, and finally security and compliance tools. Anthos is a platform of distinct services that work in concert to deliver value across the entire enterprise. Anthos for development. For the developer, Anthos provides a state of the art container management platform based on the Kubernetes. Developers can use this platform to quickly, easily build and deploy existing container based applications and microservices based architecture. Next is Anthos for migration. For migration, Anthos includes Migrate for Anthos and GKE, which allows us to orchestrate migrations using Kubernetes in Anthos. So Anthos for operations, we have for operations Anthos provides centralized, efficient and templatized deployment and management of clusters. Next is Anthos for security. For security, Anthos provides the ability to enforce security standards on clusters, deployed applications and even the configuration management workflow using a configuration as code approach and centralized management. Thanks a lot, friends. In this video, we have seen the Anthos concept. In our next video, we are going to see this Anthos demo. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye bye.